Today I'm going to show you how to make the most tender, juicy, and flavor-filled carne asada ever. Let's get into it. We're going to be using our Char-Broil entertainer cart to get our marinade ready. Our marinade is going to consist of some cilantro, lime juice, orange juice, olive oil, soy sauce, some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, brown sugar, minced garlic, cumin, ground coriander, and kosher salt. We're going to get all of that in a blender and blend until smooth. Then we're going to pour it over some skirt steak and let that marinate for at least 3 hours or up to 12 hours. We're going to keep that over ice in our cooler section of the entertainer cart. Once it's time to grill, we're going to get our Char-Broil all-electric edge grill at 550. Get that meat down and grill it for about 5 minutes per side. After 5 minutes per side, we're going to remove it and let it rest. Then we're going to get that flat top down on the edge grill and cook our veggies. While our veggies cook, we're going to slice up our steak and get ready to assemble our tacos. Once those veggies are done, we're going to remove them and get some flour tortillas down, put some cheese on it to melt, and then we're going to assemble our tacos. Get our veggies down, steak, chipotle crema, cilantro, it's on the table.